I noticed hair loss about 5 years ago. And when I came to work to Hair Club, I knew there was a solution, and the solution was Rest-A-Rink.
Hi, Jeff Elzeni, and I'm here at the Delray Beach Hair Club with Van. Van, tell us a little bit about what we're doing today.
Well, today we're doing Rest-A-Rink today, and I'm very excited about it.
And what areas are we going to focus on for you?
Well, today we're going to focus on my edges, right in here, and we're going to do the crown area. And I'm excited.
All right, me too. I can't wait to see the results.
During the time of having the hair loss, I felt as though people were looking at me but just not saying anything about it. And so that was a problem there for me. And the reason why I chose Rest-A-Rink is that it's for the thinning of the recession area and the back area of my head. But because of the Rest-A-Rink, you don't actually see the thinning area. So what it is, it actually covers the area. And now with my styling now, I do not have to do a lot of stuff with it, so it works very well for me. One of the best things that Rest-A-Rink has done for me is to boost my confidence, and right now I am more happier. I have less time to even stay in the mirror trying to fix my thinning areas, and so it is wonderful that I got Rest-A-Rink, and I am so happy, grateful that I came to Hair Club to get my Rest-A-Rink.